taste the cookies. I have my little milk that Chef RB likes. So let's do it. I'm gonna dip it in here and let's put the extra chocolate chip for the good luck. It's good.
Tastes good?
Hello guys! Today we're gonna make chocolate chip cookies. Our ingredients: butter, it might spill, and flour, and black sugar,
Brown sugar. It's a brown sugar.
and white sugar,
It's a white
and
sugar. Egg.
and chocolate chip cookies,
Chocolate chip only.
and
Chocolate
what's
chips.
this?
It's a baking soda.
Spatula.
Yeah, we're going to use
Gonna
the
mix it?
spatula. Now let's mix it.
Oh, it's easy now.
Yeah, so it's incredible. The butter should be at a room temperature.
Yeah.
By the way, click down the
Mama, I know what.
description
Click
box
down the description box for the ingredients.
for the measurements of the ingredients. Now let's put the
What?
brown sugar.
A drink. Okay, so let's mix it.
Mix it.
Yeah, mix it. And this looks like this
White sugar.
white sugar. Put all of it. I hope we don't fail this time because we're gonna. This took a long time preparing, so I hope we don't fail.
Okay, mix it.
What did you add?
White sugar.
Oh, what sugar? I thought you add some. I can still hear the sugar. I'm gonna mix until I don't see any sugar because
Let me help you.
Chef already said that. That looks like.
Yeah. It's mixed well now.
I
Let's
see some
add.
black.
Yeah. Now let's add the
This egg.
egg.
Oh.
Okay, mix it. And now you have to mix the
Flour.
dried ingredients. So this is the
Flour.
flour. No, not yet. You mix first the chocolate chip with the flour.
Oh, I forgot about that. Yay!
And then the...
Vinegar.
No, that's a baking soda.
Baking soda. Wow. I feel like the baking soda is magnet is because it's literally sticks. I'm gonna coat all of the chocolate chip cookies until I don't see any brown.
Yeah.
The chocolate chip.
Oh,
Oh,
let me help you.
okay. Thanks. I'm finding a little.
So we use Chef Arvis
Yeah, yes.
recipe, but we use only 1/4 of the brown sugar and 1/4 of the white sugar because we don't want it to.
This smells so good.
Yeah, because we don't want it to be so sweet. We don't want very sweet cookies.
Baking
With the
flour. Coat it.
slowly mix it with the butter mixture. Mix it until smooth.
Yeah. Until you don't see any egg and I don't know butter. I'm doing my technique and the slap.
That's perfect.
Slap.
Last technique.
Because I'm slapping the walls.
Okay, let me help you.
Yeah, here. all the ingredients.
I have used other ingredients.
We're also using this 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon of the cookie butter. I'm going to use that 1 teaspoon.
It's really tough though. Come out of the sun. Because you don't know why. Just close your eyes and say goodbye. It's really tacos. And also say your goodbye because you ate them tacos. This calories on hours. Oh my god.
Okay, it's done. You have to transfer it to the.
Pokemon, which is why we can use this spoon.
We're going to use this muffin mold. So we're going to have a nice round cookie. But don't get it all out. Just use 1 teaspoon. Oh, not yet.
1 teaspoon of a spoon.
Use only 1 teaspoon of the mixture. Is it 1 teaspoon? Where are you going? Where are you?
I'm here. Tennessee, Pennsylvania. Dun, 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 dun.
Okay. We use this teaspoon.
Okay.
Measuring teaspoon. Put it on the center.
The ice cream scooper.
No, not ice cream scooper. Our ice cream scooper is too big. And we're going to use this small.
Can I do it?
Portion of this.
Can I do it?
You don't need to fill this all up. Just small portion of it. Look. Look at this. It's just a small portion.
Okay.
So there is some room for
Yes.
the cookie to expand.
Here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put it all up. So let's fill this all up and bake it for about 150 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes. So we're going to finish this up and put it on the oven for 150 degrees Celsius. Oh, yeah. 150 degrees Celsius. Okay? So we put some chocolate chips on the top, and now we're going to bake it. Okay, let's go. Okay, so let's wait for it. Come on, let's go. Get inside.
Okay. Really? Really good.
See the cookies.
Ooh, it's pretty, right? We're gonna taste the cookies. I have my little milk that Chef Arby likes. So let's do it. I'm gonna dip it in here. Let's put the extra chocolate chip in the good block.
Tastes good. Now we got it right.
Right?
Yeah, we got it right. We failed the first time we did
Yeah,
it.
because we failed because it's so free. This guy's been
our ice cream scooper that's so big. So we made a very, very big cookie the last time we did it.
But it's like a berry drum. So yeah, it's good. Bye! I love this so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for more of my videos. Bye! I'm gonna do another baking next time if it's a cupcake. Bye!
Pastel